If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. If using the QuickBooks Time service with QuickBooks Online, then you must approve the time entries from QuickBooks Time before you can use them in QuickBooks Online. To approve the QuickBooks Time entries in QuickBooks Online, click the plus new button in the navigation bar and select the Review Time command under the Team heading, or hover over the Time command in the navigation bar and then click the Time Entries link in the side menu that appears. In the Approve Time window that opens, time entries from QuickBooks Time for the selected date period and approval status appear, totaled by person. To change the date range if needed, select a choice from the Date Range dropdown. To change which time approval statuses appear, select a choice from the Status dropdown. The people whose time you need to approve appear in a list in this window. To see the individual time entries for a person, click a person in this list. To edit a time entry, click the Edit link to the right of the entry. Make your changes, and then click the Save button. To return to the Approved Time window, click the Back button in the Detailed Pages upper left corner. Back in the Approved Time window, to approve the employee's time, click the Approve button at the right end of their row. Alternatively, to approve time in QuickBooks Time, click the Approvals link in the navigation bar at the left side of the window to open the Approvals Report window to the right. Use the Report Filters pane that appears to select through when and for whom to show the time to approve. And then click the Run Report button in the pane to show the time entries by employee. To view the details for an employee, click the View Details link under their hours at the right end of their row to open the Approval Details report in a new window where you can review the time entered and then close that window when finished. To approve the time for an employee, click the Approve button in their row. To approve time for multiple selected employees, check the checkbox to the left of their row to select them. Alternatively, to select all unapproved employees, check the Select All Unapproved checkbox at the top of the Report tab. After making the desired selections, then click the Approve Selected button at the top of the tab. If approving and locking time for days that aren't over yet, a browser warning message confirmation box appears to ask if you really want to do this. To continue to confirm the approval, click the OK button in the browser warning message confirmation box that then appears. Otherwise, click the Cancel button. To manually export approved time from QuickBooks Time to QuickBooks Online if needed, click the QuickBooks or QuickBooks Payroll button in the toolbar at the top of the QuickBooks Time window to show a drop-down menu of commands. Then click the Export Approved Time command in the drop-down menu that appears. Alternatively, click the Export Approved Time button in the upper right corner of the current tab within the Approvals Report window. After doing either task, then click the Export All Hours button in the Proceed with Export dialog box that appears. Alternatively, click the Cancel button to cancel the export. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.